Now, I remember I had my Myfxbook and I was down. Like I didn't even believe this is me, because I got cocky. I got cocky with what I was doing before. I was like, okay, so now I am untouchable. But now I didn't know that once you think you know more than the market, and you think that you're way much more right, or rather correct, than the market, then things go wrong. And I know things always go wrong. So I was down. The first 2 months I was down. If I can calculate the math, I was around 24%. Both of the 2 months were 25, around 30 to the maximum. And my Myfxbook was on a flat line. Like it was like, you know how, yes, flat line. So was it when? At the third month, was it early February or March? I took a total of 5 trades, if I remember very cleanly, and I was also following risk management. I shot up 305% for the month. No losses, no break-evens, just wins. And I realized that you might have the perfect strategy, but if you don't have a good risk management, you're gone. So after that one comes, I keep on continuing my trading. Now I start getting back the rewards of trading. So I started investing back into the farming business, into the agriculture business, because I love agriculture, you know. And in my country, Kenya, we really focus more on agriculture, everybody. So with the little residual I was getting from my profits, I was able to invest it back into another business, into the agriculture business. And from that time on, every single time I had to talk to Miles, like, Miles, what do you think about this? Do you think this is right? Do you think this is wrong? And Miles will tell me like, yo, this is wrong. You know, Miles won't sugarcoating it and be like, yo, this is wrong. This is wrong. Stop doing this. And then I stopped doing this. Now, also with the little residuals, I was able to pay for my brother's school, because he's actually studying also. He's actually doing what? Industrial chemistry. So also I was able to pay for his school with my small profits. I was also able to finish up my own small loans, my own small school loans. I'm able right now to pay my own rent right on time, and nobody's coming to knock at my door like, yo, you haven't paid your rent, you need to pay your rent, you need to vacate, you need to move out. And right now everything is going well, and this is all because I met Miles, and Miles told me that you should never give up. This is the only business that it does not care whether you are rich, whether you are poor, whether you have a degree, whether you don't have a degree. He told me that this one doesn't care. In this field, everybody is equal and everybody is the same. And from that time, my life has changed. And that's change number one. Actually, I actually thank Miles and the VLC group for being able to see that I could do this when I wasn't able to do this. So I thank them a lot for that, and also thank them for the perseverance and the guidance and the patience. You know, because teaching somebody who's over 1,000 kilometers away from you in a different continent, Africa, in a small country called Kenya, and you're talking to that person daily, you don't know that person just via Skype and another video, and you have the guts to tell him, don't give up, keep on fighting, because right now you're getting repaid. Forex is a blessing in my life, and the VLC group is also a blessing to my life, because without VLC I wouldn't be here. Without VLC I don't think I'd be anywhere right now in life. I won't even be able to have my own agricultural business. And VLC are the people who showed me how exactly to do Forex. They showed me the proper way, not gambling, but the proper way. They told me losses are losses. but you need to know why did they get that loss. Not, oh, okay, I took a loss, so on to the next. Like, you need to know why you got that loss. And apart from that, I really thank you for, I really do thank them. And for anyone who's thinking about they're supposed to give up on forex, you should not give up on forex. If I show you guys my farm right now with the little tomatoes I have and the little onions I have and my 4 or 5 goats and cows, just through my profit returns, that is really something that I didn't know I'll ever have in this life, and I'm content with it. I don't want a lot. I'm good with this one. So don't give up. Keep on fighting. Keep on believing, and maybe you'll be where I am, or you'll surpass me at a higher level. But one thing that I know and one thing that I remember Miles told me is this: the market is always right. What we can do is follow the market and use proper risk management. And I think that's my story of how I came into VLC and where VLC has put me right now on the table. And I can say that I'm also part of a very big team that I didn't know. And here I am, thanks to them. Not my family, not my friends. They are my friends right now, but they believed in me way more than I believed in myself. And I'm really thankful and grateful for that. So thank you very much, VLC team, and thank you very much, Miles, for giving me the opportunity and guiding me through this journey. It's not an easy journey, but I really thank you guys for that.